Hey everybody, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, J Ross, back with another video. And I know you guys were excited and could tell by the title. Y'all probably like, dang, she already got the Scooby-Doo GlamLite collection. Okay, so not really. I'm finally reviewing the first round. Don't you dare change off this video. Yes, this is a Scooby-Doo video. Yes, it is GlamLite, but this is not the new round that is launching pretty soon. This is actually the first round, which is the majority only Scooby and Shaggy, because I've had it since it launched, and because, you know, life happened, which y'all should know what happened because you watch my return video and all that good stuff. I mean, come on, y'all. This is like my 4th or 5th video back now. Y'all should be caught up by now. Come on, y'all, come on. I am super excited about the rest of the collection. I'm super excited. I don't know for sure if I'm getting the new collection. I want something from it, but I don't know for sure if I'm getting it. They said it's only gonna be for a month release. So we'll see how that works. I'm hoping it's like literally just a month release. I mean, I'm hoping not so I can get it. But at the same time, I hope it's not just like a company like, oh, we wanna make everybody buy it right now scam type thing. But who knows? And I only grabbed a couple things because I still want to support Doodles by the Bunny because I really love her work and I know she had her hand on this collection. So I really wanted to grab something in terms of just supporting and add to the collection that I have from her. I have a lot of the stuff that she actually created for brands, so I wanted to get something from this brand. To start off with what I have, you guys know I love doing my eyeshadows first. So I'm going to use the Scooby-Doo Retro Raggy 10 shade eyeshadow palette. This is the green one. There was a purple one, but ain't nobody get that. And then this is what the box looks like. I am hoping, actually it looks like this shirt is gonna do a good job with what this palette gives, and I'm gonna find a way to create a look. I'm probably not gonna talk through it because I don't know what the heck I want to do. Alright guys, so I am back and the eyes are complete and so is the base. We have a couple more things to try out, so I'm going to do that with you guys next. So this is just called highlighter, and that's what that is. That's what the outside of the package looks like, and then the inside of the package looks like this. Like, this is what the actual content product looks like. Has the shift between Shaggy and Scooby, and then some of the other famous favorite monsters or, you know, individual mysteries that they had to figure out. And something that I noticed on reading the back of the box, because I wanted to see if it said anything special, it says Retro, the perfect travel ready palette for on the go glow with solving a mystery. This highlight palette contains 4 gorgeous highlighter shimmers that complement a variety of skin tones and complete any look. So on the back of the box, it says 4 highlighters. And on the actual, like in the actual product, it's only 2. So I'm kind of curious if they changed how they were going about it, or maybe it was just a typo. I want to say they changed it from 4 to 2. I wonder what the other 2 options were going to be. So this is the top one. See that? like how it's not white at all once you apply it. That's what it looks like, a little bit blended out. This is the bottom one. It's more of like that green opal pearl look to that, and that's what that looks like when it's blended up. I do like the little bat kind of embossment in there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah. Okay, I gotta be careful because I know GlamLite highlighters do not come to play. I'm being so careful. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's enough. And next up, I also bought this Batscara. This was definitely one of the items for sure, 100%, that Doodles by the Bunny like literally created when she did her first mock-up. Like, she did a mock-up collection and then GlamLite bought that collection and they, you know, went to Warner Brothers together. Some of the items were changed because Warner Brothers didn't like that, but this is one of the items that stayed the same. That's what the brush looks like. I want to say this is one of the first, if not the first, mascara from GlamLite. And last but not least, to complete this look, I did pick up a lipstick. There were 3, but I picked up the one that spoke to me the most in terms of color stories. So this is the Retro lipstick. So this is what that shade looks like. Like I said, oh, there's also like little spiders on there. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips, and I'm going back to my trusty, you know, NYX lip liner, the one I used to use in like so many videos. Alright guys, so this is the overall final and finished look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. In terms of this collection, to be honest with you guys, like, I know this eyeshadow palette is the first of the new formula that they tried, if I'm not mistaken. These aren't my favorite mattes from them, so I don't know if I like the new formula. We'll see if they stick to the new formula in the, you know, second round of this Scooby-Doo collection. And I wonder if they kept the new formula in the latest collections that they came out with as well. So if you have some of the latest collections, please let me know if the formula is the same as it is in the Scooby-Doo collection, or is it like the older formulas that like I usually brag about all the time. If I go to a GlamLite palette, I know I can definitely depend on the mattes, and like, they still show up on me. It just took some building up, and I wasn't really happy with how long it took me to build it up. And it's not my brushes. I've used those brushes with GlamLite palettes before, never had any issues. I've used a primer with GlamLite palettes before, never had any issues. But I use every shade in this eyeshadow palette, and there are 10 shades, and I use every shade. And for there to be 5 mattes, and it looks like I have at least like 2 on. I mean, mind you, I did cover up some with some shimmers, but even before I applied the shimmers, it still kind of looked like a very blah look to me. I still love the shimmers. The shimmers are doing their job. They look so beautiful. They're very reflective as always. I feel like my favorite item of this collection is going to be, so far, the highlighter palette. Like, that looks absolutely beautiful on me, and you guys saw that like one sweep like covered my whole face basically in the highlight shimmer. I will keep trying the mascara. I don't like to judge mascaras based off the first try, but I do like the mascara in terms of like how it looks on my eyelashes. The lipstick, to be honest with you guys, is not my favorite lipstick formula. Like, I like the shade. I do like the shade. I feel like it's a different formula compared to the lipstick formula from the Frosted Flakes collection. Like, I feel like this one was more tugging on me, and it is like a very strong true matte. Like, it's very strong, and I feel it on my lips. It's not like a soft, like airy type matte. I literally feel it on my lips, and I felt it when I was applying. Like, it was literally tugging.
Shut your mouth, Wild.
If you have this collection, was it one of your favorites? Like, in terms of packaging, it's really cute packaging, and I love it. I'm happy that I have something also nostalgic in my collection. So I hope you guys really did enjoy this video. Once again, I am your girl, J Ross. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to comment down below what do you think of this collection. Let me know what you also are excited about for the second collection for Scooby-Doo. Let me know also your favorite episode of Scooby-Doo or favorite version of Scooby-Doo. Did you like the movie? Did you like the classic show? Like, there's so many, like, Scooby-Doo's been in the game for so long. Like, I feel like my mom grew up on it, and then I grew up on it, And I ain't got no kids, so they ain't grown up on it. But that's all. I don't know what else to say. I'm still nursing my voice back, so I like apologize. I'm not like super excited, super cheery, but I want to get the content out while I felt like doing it, and I really have been enjoying being back with you guys. I hope you guys have been enjoying having me back. And yeah, like I always say, I hope you guys are staying safe, happy, healthy, and blessed. Don't forget to support the KJ_Ross_prod brand on Instagram, the KJ Ross Productions brand in general. Go ahead and drop me something in the PayPal tip jar if you want to keep supporting me. And I love you guys so much. And as always, I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.